Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Done this analysis several times in the past, although it's been a while since the last update I did, and that is where this green line here is coming into play. That was from the last update. But since then, this is where the initial change needs to come into play. And this change is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $2.18 going to be that key level of resistance going forward. And you can see this is already played out. So again, as the rule states, when they're broken, they tend to act as resistance. And you can see on the bounce back up right there, classic example of a support now acting as resistance. So I'm not saying that 218 can never be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did get rejected there. And that going forward, if there is going to be any sort of, continued upside momentum, then that 218 mark is really going to be that key level to watch, where the price is going to have to, really bring its A game. In the more near term, though, and really before I even focus too much on that $2.18 mark, very clearly there's another level of resistance that's popped up right here at 207. So 207 and then 218, two key levels of resistance going forward. As far as levels of support are concerned, pretty straightforward right now. The level that immediately, caught my attention was, and to give credit where credit's due, over the past 3 days, the bulls have done a fantastic job of just slowly building higher bases. Now, it's certainly been a wild ride. I mean, you had some big moves up and then pullbacks back down, and then moves up and pullbacks back down. But the key thing with each of the, back downs is those downs keep getting higher and higher, which has allowed for this uptrending trend line right there. So keep an eye on that from the support side of things. And really, no matter how big the swings get, as long as the swings just continue to all occur above that trend line, then that does imply that the bulls are continuing to slowly make progress upward. So keep your eye on these levels going forward, and we'll see how this continues to play out. But yeah, slow and steady right now on the bulls part. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.